Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I'm going to be reviewing this hair from Nikiss hair store on Amazon. The seller reached out to me, asked me to review this 8-inch deep wave hair for them, and I'm just going to get right into it for you. So they sent me 2 wig caps. I think that's a pair. I think the other wig cap was from another packaging. So they sent me a pair of wig cap, and they also sent me this synthetic clip-in hair extension to try. So I guess they're trying to promote another product that they have. So yes, so this is what it looks like. Yeah, I don't know, I might be able to find something that I can do with this, but for now I won't be using it for right now. Okay, so the hair comes in this cute little bag right here, this cute pink bag. It is also a drawstring where you can just draw the string at the top of it. Really cute and handy. And this is the hair. This is the hair. Really soft and nice, already pre-plucked. And it is 8 inches. It does not have a side part or a middle part, so it can be worn however you like. Yes, so I'm gonna be installing this here soon, but I'm just showing you just to give you an idea of what the hair looks like and where it was brought from. So this is the inside of it. It comes with 4 pins, 2 at the side, 1 in the middle there. And there's 1 at the bottom, at the back right there, so it can be very secure. Yes, so here it is. Can't wait to install it so you guys can see how it looks. So yes, so this is basically what it is. So I'm going to be installing this hair very soon. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this hair, you can always go on their store on Amazon, which is Nikiss store, and I'm going to be leaving the name on the video here so you guys can check it out to see if they have any hair that you guys may like. So thank you guys so much again for tuning into my video.